Birds are some of the most diverse and captivating creatures on our planet, with over 10,000 species spread across every continent. From the smallest hummingbirds to the majestic eagles, birds come in a stunning array of shapes, sizes, and colors. Adaptations. Birds are known for their unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in various environments. Their feathers provide insulation, aid in flight, and are often used for communication and mating displays. Flight. While many birds are excellent flyers, some, like ostriches and penguins, have adapted to life on land or in the water. The ability to fly has allowed birds to explore and colonize diverse habitats. Communication. Birds communicate through complex songs and calls, which can be used to attract mates, establish territories, or warn of danger. Their vocal abilities are not only beautiful, but also crucial for their survival. Migration. Many bird species undertake incredible migratory journeys, traveling thousands of miles between breeding and wintering grounds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing wildlife videos. Share your thoughts and questions